God! Kaya unahin ko dito i-review, mga ka-beauties. Hi guys! Welcome to today's video and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Leigh on Leigh Style. So, hello po sa ating mga ka-beauty at of course sa mga kababayan ko sa Philippines. Hello po sa inyo. I hope na hindi kayo binaha dahil alam ko some areas in the Philippines baha, maulan, lagi na lang umuulan. So, I hope na lahat kayo safe, especially mga loved ones ko dyan sa Pilipinas. Ay, ingat-ingat kayo dyan. Anyway, for today's video, it's another review. May mga package tayo na-receive. Ngayon ko lang siya naharap because I've been so busy. Isa-isa lang tayo kada review kasi hindi ko pwede siyang pagsabay-sabayin. Ano? So, I got this from Zinff. I don't know how you pronounce that. But pagdating sa pronunciation ng mga company, minsan ang hirap ba may ma-pronounce ko ng mali. Nakakahiya naman sa kanila. You know? So, I got, I think this is pair of sunglasses. So this is the company Zinff. So that one. So let's open this box. So it comes with a box in a box. So ayan. So dalawa siya. They sent me 2 of their products. I don't know if this the in-demand ones or the bestseller. I'm not sure. I didn't check. So I have 2. So the box is like this. It's very cute. Simple box but very elegant. It's nice. It's a very neat packaging. I like the style how you open it because you don't have to, you know, tear the box or ruin the box. You can still use the box after you open it, and because there's no case, I guess this is already the case. You can store your eyeglasses or sunglasses in this cutie box. So when you open it, you're gonna see their card, their like thank you card, how to adjust your glasses, take care of your glasses, and some description, cleaning the glasses, and about this company. And they have a discount kind of coupon card. Alright. Discount coupon pala. Coupon, parang card. Card na din, ganyan. Okay. So, tignan natin kung ano itsura nitong glasses na ito. Okay. So, of course, it has, ang ganda. Oh my God. Sunglasses. And of course, it has this sunglasses cloth that you can wipe and clean these sunglasses. It's very nice. Ayan. This is, they call this the RHEA geometric black gold sunglasses. This is a very eye-catching frame. It's made of black gold and turquoise. And these glasses offer a 100% UV protection, anti-scratch, and napakaganda, and impact resistance. Sobrang ganda, ayan o. And it has a very elegant design, and the frame is so nice, ayan. They call it geometric shape pala, but parang sa akin kasi it reminds me kind of octagon shape. Pag nakakita ko ng ganyan na puro kanto, malamang may tambay, charot. Ganyan. So, ang nagre-remind sa akin is octagon ang shape. Ayan. So, these eyeglasses can also eliminate glare, increase visual clarity, reduce eye strain, and enhance color contrast. Ayan. Ayan. Ang ganda, diba? It's very nice. And it's retail for $32 for this style. Oh my God, this is very affordable. And you cannot even tell, mukha siyang maharlika, diba? Hindi mo akalain na $32. Looks like expensive. At pag sikat na sikat ang araw, mapapakinabangan mo siya. Especially sa Philippines, ano? Oh my God, may magagamit na ako pag umuwi. Kasi, alam mo na, sa Pinas, napakainit. So, kung gusto mo magtago, pwedeng gamitin ito. Ayan. It also has adjustable nose pad. Ayan. So, pag medyo may katangusan ng ilong, i-adjust nyo lang pa ganyan. Pag hindi naman, gaya ko, hayaan nyo ng ganyan. Tingin ko, sukat naman siya sa akin, ano. Ayan. So, itry natin. Oh my God. Oh! Ayan. So, inday yung bag ko.
So, hindi yung bag ko.
Oh my God. So, ang ganda. Very clear pa rin yung aking vision. Nakikita ko lahat. Malinaw na malinaw. Ayan, this is really good choice for women who are looking for a pair of fashionable chic sunglasses. So, ladies out there, if you're looking for a very affordable, classy fashion sunglasses, try this one. You can visit their site. I will put the description down below on my description box, and I will give you a special code para naman doon sa 32 magkakaroon pa kayo ng discount. Ayan. I can rate this eyeglasses a 5-star. This is really nice. And it's very comfortable. Hindi siya nakakairitang gamitin. Kasi may mga sunglasses na hindi ko feel. Ang dami ko na nabiling sunglasses. Iilan lang doon yung talagang nagugustuhan ko siya pag ginamit. Kasi yung iba, either masakit sa ganito. Pag sinuot ko yung ganyan, nalalaglag. Kasi nga wala tayong support. Hindi tayo biniyayaan ng pansuporta na maganda. So, tsaka tumatama dito, which is I really, really hate the most. Yung nagbabakat dito. At least pag meron kasing nose support na ganyan, nakaangat siya ng konti sa face. So, hindi siya, so yung bakat dito lang, which is natural kung magamit naman kayo eyeglasses, you know what I'm saying. Pero yung dito, kaya gusto ko talaga sa mga eyeglasses or sunglasses, merong ganito. Although I don't wear eyeglasses because I have a perfect vision still, nag-eyeglass ako, mga fashion eyeglasses lang, ganyan, mga pang aura-aura lang, ganyan. So, this is really nice and I like the shape. It's very classy at hindi common ang design. Yun ang gusto ko sa kanya. So, ayan. This is perfect for summer. Ayan. So, ibalik na natin. I-try naman natin yung isa. So, let's see the other one. So, ganun pa rin. Ganda ng case, ano? And it's not too bulky to put it on your purse. So the same, it has this card, and of course, excuse me, it includes cleaning cloth, and this one is napakaganda. Oh my God, ito yung mga gusto ko. Gusto ko siya kasi meron siyang parang pinkish reflection, no? Ano siyang pink reflection sa kanyang lens. Ang ganda. So, ito naman, guys, they call it the GLAM Irregular Rose Gold Glasses, which is very classy. Ang genius mo nito. Pag suot mo to, parang ang genius looking. Parang kang doktora. It's very lightweight. Ang gaan ng feeling. Ang ganda. Oh my God. This is very nice. Kabog. And ang ganda. This is a ultra lightweight B titanium eyeglasses. Very elegant design, and it has a gorgeous texture. I think this one is the rose gold, but this one, the tip of the frame, it's pink. You can tell it's pink. Ayan. The material is memory titanium. Ayan. And this eyeglasses retail for $43. Ayan. It's not bad because it's a long time use. I mean, not unless you break the frame or the lens. The good thing is if you break the lens, you can just avail just the lens to them. And if you wanna buy just the frame or replace the frame, you can do that as well. Especially if you have prescription, no? So others, when they have prescription, they want to choose what kind of frame, and then they have to choose what lens they want. I will put their link down below on my description box so you can check them out, and then you can always use Leigh 30, and then you can get 50% off for every frame that you want to avail, and 20% off you will use same code Leigh 30 for the lenses. Ayan. So if you use both codes, you can get 20% for the lens and then 50% for the frame. Oh my God, that's a really good deal for you guys. So I hope you're gonna check this out. This is really nice, and I think you will love this as much as I love it. Kasi ang ganda talaga. Talagang super nahihilig ako sa mga ganito lately. Gusto ko yung mga ganitong clear glass kasi tingin ko bagay sa akin. Mukha lang ako nagmumukhang mas masungit, but I think it really looks good. At nakaka-classy. Ayan o, ganyan lang o. Kahit kahit naka-ragged ka, kahit naka-dress, kung ano ang attire mo, yung mga ganito, bagay siya. Especially the sunglasses, no? Super cool nito. This is really nice. I like it. Oh, asan ang mga pipirmahan? Charot. Okay, ayan guys. I hope you will check this out. They have a lot of sunglasses and eyeglasses that you can choose. It's very affordable, and they also have men's sunglasses and eyeglasses as well. So you can check them out too para naman sa ating mga kagwaps dyan. Ayan. And again, for Zinff company, I don't know how you really say that, if it's silent N or silent F. Thank you so much for sending me this and letting me review your products. I really appreciate it, and I think I will enjoy wearing this wherever I go. So, and I hope guys you check this out on their official website. So I hope guys you enjoy watching this video, and if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and kindly hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Hanggang sa muli, I'll see you on my next one. Have a blessed day and stay beautiful. Bye!